Imbethamthetho ziyavuma bona izinga eliphezulu labantu abatsha abasebenzi ende kumraro lokho kulandela inkulumo upikiswano hlangana namalunga eParliament ebanjwe leParliament namhlanje ngaphambi kokufika kwelanga labantu abatsha elikusasa. Usibusokula weANC uveze bona ilutsha eliningi lineziqu kodwa alisebenzi lokho kubangela ukukhuphuka kwezinga lobulelesi.
Imbethamthetho ziyavuma bona izinga eliphezulu labantu abatsha bangasebenzi kulimraro omkhulu. Lokhu kulandela inkulumiswano hlangana namalunga weParliament ebeyibanjelwe eNational Assembly ngaphambi kokufika kwelanga labantu abatsha. Usibusokula weANC uveze bona ilutsha eliningi lineziqu kodwa alisebenzi lokhu kubangela ukukhuphuka kwezinga lobulelesi.
This is a breeding ground of gangsterism, of substance abuse in the form of matombe and nyaupe, teenage pregnancy, violent crimes.
Kanti ke uLiyolo Mphithi weDA ubuze bona itsha izokubekezela bekubenini ukungasebenzi namabhizinisi angakhuliko.
A government that has failed to eradicate pillars, a government that has failed small businesses with bureaucratic legislation, a government that has been unable to grow the economy.
Nanyana zizinengi intshijilo itsha eSouth Africa ecalene nazo ukuhlogeka komsebenzi ukukhamba phambili. Ngale kwalokho kuvele bona ihlangano ebusako elicabangela ilutsha nendingo zalo.
The ANC government did not remember that we are the youth when they looted 500 billion during a pandemic. They do not remember that we are youth when we are sexually violated and killed as women and gay people and further turned away at police stations when we seek refuge.
The transformation can only take place where we have secured jobs for all our young people. We are pushing South Africa first.
Na kuyihlangano yeCope yona akhe ngisho kunengi.
Boo ANC. Boo ANC, you are failures. Thank you.
Inhlangano ezinye ziveze bona kufuze kukhulumiswane netsha kunokuthi amalunga weParliament akhulume wodwa.